Bola Benaka. Bola Benaka. Bola Benaka. Bola.
Thank you so much.
Bola. Thank you too much.
Bola Benaka.
Come in, please. Please. Oh, please. Oh, I am sorry.
That's okay. How are you?
I am.
Good.
Come, please. How are you? Good.
Thank you. It was yesterday leaving me to it, and I thought, oh my goodness, what am I going to say to Fiji now? Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Come
Hi,
in.
Minister.
Come in. Bola.
Bola Benaka.
Bola.
This
Bola.
is, let me introduce James.
Oh.
James Mega, and you might know this lady.
Hello, madam. How are you?
Lovely
Yeah,
to see you.
woman who organises everything.
Come, please.
Thank you. Thanks, sir.
Otherwise, okay.
And your coming means a lot to us, of course, because
I think we got to see you a little bit unexpectedly, so I'm not sure if James is. Oh, well, look, he has. He's done well. He's done well. There you are. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
Really nice to
Thank
see you again. Everyone loves pure James. I feel like we should put you in the middle, sir. Can I be rude and shuffle? There we go. That's better.
Sir?
Thank you.
Good, how are you?
I'm very well.
Good to see you.
You too.
Good to see you.
Oh,
Hi.
how are you?
Mark Mead, thank you.
Okay.
See you again.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Mark Mead.
I like the happy blue.
Hawaii.
Is that part of my hair?
Walmart.
No?
But I got another
This
one.
was a gift from my staff when they learned I was assigned to Fiji.
Oh, really? Friends of mine, we were in Sydney last week. Bloody cold. Come, James. Come. Hey. Come. I know you already have this at home, so I'm gonna give you another one.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Manaka.
Thank you.
Prime Minister.
Good night.
In July, we have connected them to the Ministry for Local Government, and local government, the municipal councils need a lot of support, and cities and the private sector, because